debate on the topic: should English be mandatory at workplace or not? I stand in the favor of I stand in the favor that English is mandatory at the workplace, and Kunal is on the in the against that English in that English should not be the mandatory at the workplace. Uh, as English is one of the our official language, and it is a global language also. I think that it is a mandatory. It should be mandatory on the workplace because it is a global language, and it is a common language that we in India that most of the persons know and able to speak in English and able to understand. So I thought it is a mandatory at the workplace.
As per my opinion, as per my opinion, in India, the official language is Hindi, not English, and I totally disagree for this point because if our official language is English, so Hindi, so why we can use English language? Why we promote British language if we have a good and well language for our nation? So, what's about you?
As I said earlier, that English is spoken by most of the Indians. That like if you go to the Tamil side or the southern side, most of the person are able to speak English, but they are not able to speak Hindi properly. And if you talk about the people of the North India, that they are able to speak Hindi as English also, but their fluency is not well good in English, but they can easily understand English. But southern people like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, they cannot speak Hindi at and they cannot speak Hindi, but they are very good and able to understand English and along with their own regional language. What you will do when you go for a work in a southern side like Tamil Nadu, Kerala, and Karnataka?
I think this is the problem of our India. We do not we have not selected our official language as Hindi, and as you say, southern people do not have Hindi teacher, and they do not know how to speak Hindi. And if in upcoming times, I think government should take action and make Hindi as official language in India.
You said that government take action and implement Hindi as a official as a Hindi as a language of India, but I think along with the Hindi there are many languages like 22 other languages are the official language. It's not possible for the government to implement that any one language as a national language of India. When we got independence, government tried to implement Hindi as a national language, but they face criticized by the many of the people, like especially people who especially people from the south side and also from Punjab, that they are not favor that Hindi is our official language. Hindi is not our national language, and they are not ready to accept. And they prefer their own local language instead of Hindi.
But in the south, if I see the outside the India, if I talk about the Russia, every person talk in Russian language, and if I talk about other countries, they have do not prefer Hindi language because all of the people want to visit outside and they always prefer English language. Why?
Instead of thinking
Instead of thinking English is the better language, we can use Hindi language.
As I said earlier, that English is the global language, not but Hindi is not a global language. It is mostly spoken in our country only. What you will do when you will start working in a multinational company where English is a part of their language, and English is mandatory for you, that you have to speak in English. Then what you will do for on that time?
you can wind up the session, you can conclude your ideas.
I
I would like to conclude.
I would like to conclude if our government and our Indian people support and make Indian language as official language, so we can move further. But most of the people of who working on MNCs and they do not have no like certain people, they do not know Hindi language, so
So they will oppose.
they will oppose